Today we are going to place a neutral switch on a 2005 Honda Odyssey. Right now we're just jacking it up so we can remove the driver's side tire, and in a few minutes I'll show you how to take that piece off and replace it. Alright, so we got that jacked up. Now we're just going to remove this front tire. Like I said, it is on your driver's side, so you want to remove this driver's tire. Okay. Just remove that. All right. So if you look in here, the piece that we're going to be replacing is under here. Once again, that is a neutral switch. If your van won't start and your battery's still good and you've checked everything else, sometimes this is the cause of it. So that's what we're getting ready to do right now, and this is what this piece looks like. We got this at Advanced Auto Parts, and the part number is 47013. It just looks like this. All right, that replaced real quick. All right, so there's a bolt here and there's a bolt here. Make sure you don't remove this bolt because this goes to your transmission. But this bolt here, down here, like I said, don't remove this one because it goes to transmission. So you got two bolts, 1 and 2, that you need to remove. And it does take a 10mm socket. Make sure you don't lose your screws. All right, so this is what the cover looks like when you take it off. Just so you don't get your screws mixed up, the one that goes in the right side of the cover is significantly shorter than the one that goes in the left side, so you'll know which screws go where. So there's this piece here that you have to remove. You'll need a flathead screwdriver to push that in and take that out. And this piece, you need to remember where it's lined up, because once you unscrew these little screws and these bolts, if you don't line it up right, you will confuse your transmission. So you do need to make sure that that is right when you put the new part on. Alright, so I got the old part off and I actually have the new part installed. Like I said, when you take that part off, you're going to want to line it up over here or you will confuse your transmission. Okay, so before you put everything back together, you want to crank it and make sure it starts now. Like before, it wasn't starting, it was just kind of making a clicking noise. Like I said, that is that neutral switch. So you go ahead and crank it, Lily, and let's see if that works. You don't have to get in, just and it starts. So then you can go ahead and you can put everything back on. And I will tell you, this piece right here Very hard to remove. You're going to want to get a screwdriver and push it. I went ahead and took this off first, and then it was a little easier to remove this piece. Ladies, if you don't mind getting your hands dirty, everything's capable. Just YouTube, that's all I did. Learned how to remove it myself. We don't need a man for everything. It took me about 35 minutes to fix this. Honda wanted labor, $25 an hour. I think that's what it was, or $125 an hour for 3 hours. So the part cost me $82 and 35 minutes of my time. Thank you guys for watching.